Hi guys, welcome to my channel Explore More. So today I am going to show you guys some internships that Internshala is offering for free. So you do not have to pay any amount. You just have to go log in or register yourself and then you can apply to whatever internship you would like to apply. So now coming to the video, you can see on my screen that Internshala's website is there. So now here you can see there are a lot of internships matching your preferences. So when I registered, I chose some particular fields which I wanted to see internships in or for, and that's why it is showing me in those particular fields. For example, I chose marketing and I chose interior design. So I chose it randomly, but if you guys want to enroll yourself into an internship, maybe engineering or journalism or media, it could be anything and everything, so you can choose the preferences accordingly. So otherwise you could just untick this particular tab, this box that you guys can see over here. When you untick it, it will show you random, or it will show you internships which on general basis, like no particular field as such. It'll show you, like you can see here, social media marketing internship, then campus ambassador. You can also see over here which particular company is offering it to you. So here Casio is offering you this campus ambassador internship, and when is it starting? It's starting immediately. Duration is 1 month, and your stipend will be performance based. And when do you have to apply by? You have to apply latest by 22nd October 2020. So you can go and you can view the details if you want to know more about the internship. Over here you can see it's written how many people have already applied, then what kind of thing is an internship, and this part-time is allowed. Okay, and this part-time is allowed. Now there's little bit description about the company which is offering the internship. Then there is little bit about the program, that what you guys will have to do. So basically in this internship you will have to assist in marketing and promotional activities of Casio's range of desktop and scientific calculators, then posting product specific content on a social media feed and on Quora, and engaging with students on campus online regarding the product. So this is about the program. Then what are the learning opportunities are you getting? You will get a lot of guidance. Then promotional content such as posters, etc. will be provided to you. And what skills do they require for this internship? They are looking for people who have good English proficiency, spoken and also written English proficiency. And for this you also need to learn business communication. You should know proper business communication if you want to apply for this particular internship. Then who can apply? Only those candidates can apply who can start the part-time job or internship between 8th October to 12th November, and also those who are available for duration of 1 month, and those who have relevant skills and interest. Other requirements that they want would be that they should be BCom and BSc students. And what are the rewards and incentives? Now rewards and incentives, they have already mentioned it's performance based. So if you perform well or according to their preference or the way they want you to work, you'll get a stipend of INR 2000 after completion of assigned tasks. A Casio calculator certificate of completion will be given. So selection procedure is application based followed by a telephonic interview. So you have to apply now. You have to click on apply now. You have to put your resume and put in some details. After that, your application will be sent, and if they like your application, there will be telephonic interview wherein they'll be interviewing you. And you'll also get a certificate, and this will be happening 5 days a week, and number of openings 50. So they need 50 people for this internship. Now if you guys want to see any other internship in some other field, you guys can straight away come here and click on category. So you can click on category like marketing, like if you want 3D printing or acting, or you have like everything, every kind of internship is available over here. So you can see so many. You have data science, you have design, digital marketing, electrical engineering, loads and loads of fields that you can apply in. Then you can see the location is also there. You can see that there are a lot of locations that you can see. If you want to apply in Mumbai or in Delhi or in Vadodara or in Ahmedabad, wherever you want to apply, you can choose the location as well. Then if you want work from home, you can tick that. If you want part-time, you can choose that. Then when do you want to start, when do you want it to end. You can also search internships for women. So there are a lot of things that you can do over here. So it's a beautiful website wherein everything is properly filtered for you, so you can choose accordingly and go ahead and apply this for the internship. And it is absolutely free of cost. You do not have to pay a single amount of money. So it's absolutely going to be free of cost for you guys. So that's one basic boon that you have over here. I will also be putting more internships and more information in my upcoming videos. For now, this is it for this video. If you guys liked it, if you guys felt this was helpful for you guys, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do hit the like button. If you feel like sharing this with somebody, it could be helpful for somebody, then do share it with your friends or your family or whoever really needs it. And also, if you want to put any comments, if you have any doubts or anything you would like to ask or you would like to recommend, then please feel free to put it down in the comment section. Thank you so much.